Area 8, Infrastructure and Other Learning Resources. West Visayas State University, where excellence is a tradition, continues to soar high in its threefold functions as evident by being a center of excellence in teacher education, center of development in agriculture, forestry, and nursing programs. It is a recipient to various awards given by the Commission on Higher Education, the accrediting agency of chartered colleges and universities in the Philippines, and the QS stars of the University Performance Metrics. The university infrastructure and other learning resources contributed significantly in attaining these recognitions. The university has an adequate physical resources such as classrooms, lecture rooms, offices, laboratories, and other learning resources for the use of faculty, staff, students, and other stakeholders. Each college has its own building wherein most of its basic operations are done. All offices and rooms are equipped with basic furniture and equipment, providing a comfortable working condition. West Visayas State University has a total land area of 9.67 hectares situated along a national highway and accessible to all forms of transportation. Natural calamities do not easily affect the university because of its location, and the infrastructures are built to withstand the test of time. The university has a disaster risk reduction and management office which leads the planning and implementation of disaster preparedness programs. The incident command system ensures that there is a standardized approach to command, control, and coordination of emergency response within the university. Fire alarms and fire extinguishers are installed in every corner of the buildings. Anchored on the Environmental Management and Sustainable Development Framework, West Visayas State University formulated a solid waste management program approved by the Board of Regents through Resolution Number 95, 2019. An operational flow was designed to enhance the process. This initiative introduced the operational processes such as formulating policies on waste segregation, collection, and transport to the recovery facility, and training of faculty, staff, and students. To sustain the program, a solid waste management committee and administrator per building were designated by the university president. The university also forged a memorandum of agreement with the province of Iloilo, Iloilo Quarry Permittees Association Incorporated, DENR, and the Robinsons Mall to support the programs such as the Alternative Recycling Technology and Plastics and Boteco, Palitco. Garbage bins and signages were installed in strategic locations to ensure effective implementation of this program. Other activities related to the waste management program include water analysis, trash in a bottle, and eco-bahay projects. West Visayas State University is compliant in all developmental projects, having been granted an environmental compliance certificate by the Department of the Environment and Natural Resources. The University Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Center conducts periodic fire and earthquake drills to ensure safety and coordination during natural and man-made disasters. The new vital engine of competitive advantage is its continuous facility development. Thus, WVSU conforms to all the required criteria to ensure the safety of its clientele and the continuity of its services. The school site complies with the national standards set by the government. The university holds a certificate of title registered in accordance with the Property Registration Decree issued by the Land Registration Authority. West Visayas State University ensures that the academic campus and on-site buildings are permanent with land title, deed of donation, compromise agreement with the province of Iloilo, property insurance, and certificate of occupancy. There were no reported incidents related to the construction of buildings in the university. The West Visayas State University conducts periodic analysis of the water quality and disposes its waste properly. The water supply is safe for use based on the analysis report by the Regulatory Calibration and Testing Center of the DOST Regional Office 6. It is complemented by a private microbiological analysis that confirms the absence of E. coli and other coliform bacteria. The West Visayas State University's environment and landscapes are impressive and well-maintained. A responsible unit is assigned to do the planning and implementation of the landscaping and beautification projects in coordination with the other units. Preventive maintenance for electrical, air conditioning units, vehicles, plumbing and sanitary installations, and carpentry works are in place. Security personnel are assigned to oversee these areas. The client satisfaction rating provides the university with essential information to improve its services and performance. The positive feedbacks from its clientele and visitors are valued as motivational force for its employees. This information is gathered from comments in the WVSU Facebook page, suggestion box, and evaluation results made after every activity carried out in the campus. The entire land of WVSU is primarily used for educational function, which includes the academic buildings, open spaces, and recreation areas. The university has a Board of Regents approved Master Development Plan formulated in 2005 and updated in 2011 through BOR Resolution Number 24/2011. The Master Development Plan guides the university in allocating and utilizing the land area to meet the required academic and non-academic support services and facilities. To avoid disruptions of functions or activities and to ensure safety, property and accountability, and management of facilities and outdoor spaces, West Visayas State University has a policy on the use of the university buildings, facilities, and grounds pursuant to BOR Resolution Number 83/2017. The university has established and maintained several laboratory facilities to accommodate its academic programs. There is laboratory buildings permit in compliance to the standards set by the RA 6541 or known as National Building Code or PD 856 or Code of Sanitation. Each laboratory has its own operations manual and is well equipped with the required usable units, tools, and equipment. These laboratory facilities are well maintained and are under the supervision of a skilled custodian who ensures that the maintenance schedule and guidelines for its utilization are followed. This results in laboratory outputs that are finished on time. These facilities provide students with first-hand experience and opportunities to explore new ideas based on the course concepts. The laboratory facilities are installed with firefighting equipment and fire extinguishers. All laboratories are equipped with first aid kits for accidents and emergencies. The Central Science Laboratory has an approved BOR operation manual that guides both the faculty and students. The university has invested on the procurement of equipment to promote and utilize non-print, digitalized, and electronic platforms. With this advancement in library facility, the university's extensive collection of digital instructional e-materials and resources are properly cataloged, indicating areas and subjects covered, and made educational materials accessible to both faculty and students. The university allocates budget annually for the procurement and subscription of these non-print materials. Furthermore, the university has a subscription agreement with the Elsevier and Cengage. So here are some of the best practices in this university. West Visayas State University has a Board of Regents approved Master Development Plan which sets the direction of the university in allocating and utilizing the land within the campus to meet the required academic and non-academic support services and facilities. WVSU has a BOR-approved solid waste management program that addresses the prevailing problem in disposing large solid waste in the university. This initiative was undertaken to foster ecological balance and overall well-being of the university, to maintain a safe and conducive learning environment. WVSU laboratory facilities have widened its scope of operations by providing laboratory materials, facilities, and technical services in research and extension to students and faculty from other schools or agencies. An unknown author once wrote that quality is not an act, it is a habit of providing a quality support. Thank you.